If splashing water on the street helps decrease temperatures, though most effectively in the shade, might there not be a way of using this to cool a house? Aside from grand architectural features like cisterns and wind catchers, the humbler mashrabiya has served a similar purpose in many hot climates. A mashrabiya is a traditional Islamic projecting window, shading elements below and in turn shaded by latticework, so that the air can circulate through the house. To keep this air cool, people place jars of water in the mashrabiya. It was, and is, a little natural air conditioner.
夏で差をつける夏期講習も枠に限りがありますので、お問い合わせは各スクールへお早めに。
Although the traditional art of crafting a lattice screen sends modern architects running for the hills crying, "Cost!" as does the idea of containing a pattern in any sort of framing that isn't endlessly repeated, the perforated shade is gaining popularity. These will be machined into squares of steel and slapped over a curtain wall of glass as almost an apology for how horrible these constructions are for the poor souls who must live inside. These are the slightly more decorative version of what is known as a brise-soleil. Those are beams or planks affixed to a wall to create shade but not stop rain or any other elements. Creating them requires little skill, and they can be made cheap.